Hey people, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're well and in good health. Okay, some exciting times for the crypto space right now. So we've had the last couple of days, or actually the last few weeks, if you've been subscribed to the channel and you've been watching our latest videos, you've probably seen all the Bitcoin ETF stuff. But stay tuned and we'll give you a lowdown what's going on right now in the global crypto markets. Exciting times ahead. But obviously over the last few weeks we had the ETF debacle, so we knew that it was going to be happening at some stage. And then just a couple of days ago on Wednesday 10th of January, we had the SEC actually, it got hacked and a tweet was released that it was approved, but then Gary Gensler came back and said it's not, and then there was all this hoo-ha. The markets did drop a little bit at the time, but then going into the evening and then into early hours of today as well, it's now pretty much been confirmed and the Bitcoin ETFs have been released. So there's at least, I think there's about 11 now at the moment in terms of the different ETFs. So now some of the big investors should be coming in the coming days and weeks. So we could see that rally. But let's refresh this right now. So if you take a look at CoinMarketCap on global cryptocurrency right now, it's a whopping $1.8 trillion. I mean, that is absolutely crazy, absolutely amazing to see that. It's an increase of 5.50%. The markets are on fire. That's what I'm talking about. So you can see 5.50% increase in the last 24 hours at 1.8 trillion. Definitely exciting times. I mean, is this the prelude to the bull run coming up? Bitcoin halving in Easter time in April. We could get a massive bull run and a rally there as well. Could be also drops and consolidation. But right now, with fresh news of the Bitcoin ETF approval, money's coming in from investors and those who are private wealth management firms and so on. They'll be dealing with crypto basically now. So the Bitcoin ETF in particular, that could follow suit with other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum ETF, potentially even an XRP ETF going forward. So let's take a look right now. So Bitcoin smashes the $47,000 mark, currently up by 4.4% in the last 24 hours, 0.17% in the last hour. So that has then obviously led to some of the other cryptocurrencies pushing up as well. Let's take a note here. Ethereum's actually doing so well. It's gone up above 10% in the last 24 hours, 11.30%, currently at $2,641. Ethereum's on fire too. Then we've got Solana. Solana did go below $100, but it's pushed back up. It's gone over 10% in the last 24 hours. It's gone up now over $105 at the moment. XRP, that's what I'm talking about, 0.6149, currently up again 10% over the last 24 hours. Cardano, whoa, nearly 20% in the last 24 hours, 19.02%. It's gone up by 1.49% currently over the last hour. Currently sat at 0.6014. AVAX was in the low 30s. It's pushed up right under $40 mark at $39.36. It's gone up by 14.41% in the last 24 hours. Dogecoin just under 10% in the last 24 hours. Polkadot 20% plus. And then Tron as well, gone up in the last 24 hours. Polygon Matic again 15%, just over 15% in the last 24 hours. Chainlink as well. And then you got Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has dropped to zero, so it looks like 0.401042, gone up over 10%, 11.44% in the last 24 hours. Fantastic. ICP, which has been skyrocketing on the 90-day marker, it's gone up by a whopping 348%. And then if you look on the last 24 hours, gone up just under 10%, 9.06%, currently sat at $13.62. Litecoin, return of Litecoin, Litecoin strikes back. It's gone up just under 10% in the last 24 hours, 9.52%. Currently sat at $72.88. And then you can see Bitcoin Cash as well, $274. It's gone up by just under 15%, 14.66% in the last 24 hours. So we are seeing an uptick, an upsurge, bullish sentiment here in the crypto space right now. And things are on fire, just like the chariots of fire, so to speak. Okay, so that's really good. Greed and fear index is currently at 74. And then we can look at the trending coins at the moment. Bitcoin at number 1, Ethereum Classic as well. over just under 50% increase. So once again, the crypto markets are at $1.8 trillion global crypto market cap, up by 5.50%. So that is good news for the crypto space right now. Question is, how long will we ride this into? I mean, obviously the news has just broke over the last 24 hours with the Bitcoin ETF being approved. So the media will have been a bit slow to get the news out, but a lot of YouTube influencers and channels have been showcasing this. So that will hit the media as well now, going into the next few days and the weekend and into next week. And then hopefully we should start seeing more of those ETFs, funds getting pushed in and investors coming in, which could then also, lead to retail investors coming in, short-term holders, long-term holders pushing their investments into Bitcoin. Obviously, crypto is a volatile space, so always do your financial due diligence when investing. However, if you are looking to invest, we use Kraken Exchange as a great trading platform. So if you want to, trade on Kraken Exchange, invest in crypto, check out the link in the description. Once you've traded your first $100, you will get free $10 in Bitcoin. So you can check out the link in the description. Okay, people, support the channel. We're bringing you fresh news daily on a daily basis. What's going on in the financial markets, cryptocurrencies, and beyond. So, don't be shy. Give us a like. Do like, share, subscribe. Comment below. Let us know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe. You can also support us to really build the channel by clicking the join button. It costs less than a cup of coffee. You can support us on Patreon, link in the description. Okay, people. Let's get out there and make some guala. Catch you in the next one.